Would you like to give advice for new parents?
Yes, even in my son's school, there was a parents counseling. So that time it was a red letter day for me, that how to raise our kids, because I got early married, then I got kid early. So I was not aware about this, like how to how to raise our kids. So that time they give us lots of information about our kids, like we shouldn't compare our kids. It's a very, I would say, nowadays every parent try to compare their kids, so
Mm-hmm.
like we shouldn't compare apple to oranges, because apple
Mm-hmm.
has their own properties and mango has their own property. So if
Yeah.
we are comparing them, so it's very difficult. Every person, every flower has their own season to bloom and bloom. Sometimes they grow early, sometimes they grow late. So we should be just patient, and for parenting I would say patience and understanding, it's very important. And
Mm-hmm.
like next thing is,
Okay.
hello,
Hello, good morning. How are you?
good morning. I'm doing great, exceptionally well. What about you?
Yes, I'm also doing amazing. Thank you so much for asking. So, may I know how has your morning so far?
Yeah, so far my morning has been quite productive. I have taken two session,
Oh,
not
really?
session. I connected with my co-learner and I discussed one topic with them, and
Mm-hmm.
it's quite productive. What about you?
My morning, I can say, was also productive, but I didn't have any session. I just finished my all task. Now I can say I'm totally free. Okay, so as we are meeting for the first time, I would love to know about you. Then we can proceed our conversation.
Definitely, I honor to introduce myself. My name is Pooja Bhatt. Originally, I am from Uttarakhand, the land of beautiful God. But currently, I live in Bangalore with my family. I have done masters and B.Ed also, CTET qualified. Uh, in terms of my hobbies, I love to listen music, reading books, and play with my kids and spending time with my family. Apart from it, nowadays I have a bee in my bonnet about learning this language. So I'm running a small YouTube channel by the name Learn English with Pooja. So that's a bit about me.
Okay, lovely to know about you.
Would you
Okay, so
mind to introduce yourself?
yes, sure. So, as you know, my name is Suman. I hail in Chandigarh. Right now, I live in Delhi. This is my in-laws' home, I can say. And if I talk about my qualification, I have done graduation and NTT diploma. Currently, I'm doing masters. This is my last year. And if I talk about my profession, so I'm a teacher by profession. I teach at my home. I don't go any school. Just I run my own institute. And apart from that, talking about my hobbies, so I love to reading books. I have also green thumb, and I love to cooking as well. But these days, I don't want to spend much time, especially in the cooking, because whatever I have ample time, so just I love to spend my time with to enhance my English communication. So that's pretty much about me. Thank you.
Good to hear about you.
Mm-hmm.
And okay, yeah, when you were giving your introduction, one question raised that like how do you manage time? Because your plate is also over flooded. That tuition, you take tuition, and you are learning this language. You are making videos and housewife. So how do you manage your time?
I can say this is a very simple way to managing the time. If you want to do something, so you should make a lesson plan. So
Yes.
I always prefer to make a lesson plan. If I want to do something, so if I jot it down or make in my mind, I have to do this, I have to do this, then I have to do this work.
Yes.
So we will definitely find the time. And if we don't, I think, make the plan, so our day full, like, kind of busy. And although we don't find the time to ourselves. I think
Yeah.
you are also on the same boat, so you know very well because you have also kid, you have also channel and you are also learning upon the English communication. So I
Yes, yes,
can
I
say.
truly resonate with you. I'm in the same boat because making to-do list and pre-planned your whole day, it's a
Hmm.
big, time management. I would say that you are means directionated. That okay, after completing this task, I have to do this. So it's
Hmm.
very helpful. I would say that in my case also, that I also try to set a tone for making to-do list for my whole day, and in
Hmm.
this way I complete all the, and mm, there is a will, there is a way. If you have will, so definitely you can search ways.
Yeah, exactly right. Right. So
Yes,
they know how do you have one kid or two?
I have two kids. My elder one is 8-year old and my younger one is 3-year old.
Okay, okay. I think it would be also very difficult to handle both kid and do everything on the time.
Yes, yes, it's a Herculean task for me, but
Mm-hmm.
slowly and gradually I'm learning how to manage our time, how
Mm-hmm.
to make most of it. Like whenever my son goes to school, that time I'm fully free, so I give time to other tasks like making channel videos, connecting with people. And when he is at home, so I give time because it's very mandatory for them also to spend time with our kids.
Mm-hmm. So do you do your home chores by own your or do you hire someone?
Yes, yes, by my own and own. Actually, I hired two, three, but I have to work like them. That I have to work according to them. Means whatever they are saying, that sometimes they make lame excuses. Didi, I have to go there, so today I will come late. Today I will come early. So I always wait. I always used to wait for them. That when they will come, they will finish my household chores. Then I will do start my day. But now I am fully depend on myself. That whatever, and I'm not rely on others, that okay, now it's not complete, so it's okay, after some time I will do this work. So in this way I'm managing my household chores and my personal life also.
Okay, great. Great way. Okay, so today, as you mentioned, you are a mother of two kids. So why not we talk about good parents? So according to
Yes.
your perceptions, what is good parenting? What is a good parenting?
Yeah, in my opinion, that parenting is all about parents, not for kids, because kids are like a clean slate, and whatever we want to feed them and how we want to mold them, we can. So
Mhm.
it's all about parents. So firstly, we should understand our kids, and firstly, we should whatever we want to inculcate habit on them. Firstly, we should follow those habits. Like discipline, punctuality, and attitudes, means good etiquettes and those things. So firstly we should enroll, and they are just imitators. We are the role
Mhm.
model of our kids. And
Mhm.
good parenting means you lovingly and affectionately you are raising your kids, and you are trying to understand their problem, because every person has a different unique character. So we should analyze firstly which kind of our kids, because if I differentiate my both kids, my daughter is so calm, polite, and she always obey me. But
Mhm.
yeah, in terms of my son, he's vice versa of my daughter. He's mischievous, showing his tantrums. So every time bothers her. So yeah, like it's depend on us, like how we are managing both kids. So
Mhm.
it's very necessary. Firstly, that analyze. Firstly, that introspect your kids, and which kind of, because if I scold my daughter, so she just obey me. But if I scold my son, they always do opposite of whatever I say, that like you shouldn't do this, so he will definitely do that thing. So yeah, firstly, like we have to introspect that which kind of environment we are providing them, so they will try to mix up on that, and they will learn from us. So
Yeah,
I try to,
exactly right.
yeah, so in my opinion, we should create that environment whatever we want from our kids:
Mhm.
loving, caring, good etiquette, good behavior. So yeah.
Yeah, I totally resonate with your point. It's depend only on the parents, how we
Yes,
modulate them.
yes,
So, kids are like a clay. Totally resonate with your point. So, according to my perceptions, kids need love, care. First of all, this is the big
yes,
things when we start the grown up. So, we should listen them, love them, care them. So they definitely listen to us. And second
yes,
thing is good communication. When
yes,
kids start growing up, so as like we shouldn't ignore them. We
yes,
always ready to listen them as like they come from school. So we should at least not too much. So at least we should put two or three questions. How was your
yes,
day? And did you help to anyone or did you take something to anyone? How was your breakfast or lunch today? Like that.
yes,
Because these days children must share each other everything.
yes,
So you know,
yes,
I usually ask to my kid, what did you share? Did you share something to your friends or did you take something to your friends? So I asked
yes,
these kind of questions. So I must say communication is really important for to our kids, and this is not necessary. We just communication just regarding lunch or day. Sometimes we have to change our questions as well, like
yes,
who is your favorite teacher, and what is your which teachers teach you in a productive way, in which teachers elaborate you clearly. So we can
yes,
ask this kind of question so that we can touch with our kids, and during elaborating these points, maybe they share something else which he
yes,
maybe happens with him, maybe with friend circle or maybe with teacher. So he can also share his entire feelings. So I can say
yes,
communication is also most important, and
yes.
we should
Even I
also.
also,
Yes,
yes,
yes.
even I also consider that I also prefer always that good communication create a connection with our kids. Which kind of create, if you ask like your kids that what happened in your school, and if someone fight with him, so who was the victim, who was the culprit, in a polite way they try
Yes.
to understand, and they openly they share their thoughts. Otherwise
Mhm.
they try to hide, and they have that kind of feeling that my mother, my parents don't listen me, and they are not care about me, so they will not share whatever happened. So sometimes sharing and good communication definitely create a good bond. So it's very
Mhm.
necessary to to share, to ask question, whatever feeling they have, emotion, and it build a emotion connection with your kids.
Yeah, exactly right. You know, sometimes when I go to the parents meeting and sometimes teachers says something, any particular topic, no, he doesn't say me like that. Then I point out immediately, no, I asked him. He said to me, this
Yeah.
question is happens or this is happens in this class, and I also discuss with my teacher. Then she keep quiet.
Yeah.
She thought, oh, she knows everything about her kid. So I
Yeah.
can say communication really matter a lot to become a good bond.
Yes. Yes.
And
To yeah, definitely.
yeah, being if we want to really make them good person, so we should also teach them slowly and gradually rules and regulations
Yeah.
and
Good etiquette.
discipline. Yeah, right, as you already mentioned. So yes, so we should also teach them timetable. While
Yeah.
watching the TV, we should set the time so that they can become a habitual. Yes, I have to watch
Yeah.
from this to this time. So did you ever try to make the timetable or set the timetable, or your kid follow or not?
Yes, it's a very difficult, hard nut to crack to follow discipline and that certain timetable for our kids.
Especially for screen time. I'm
Yeah,
talking about especially screen time. So did they follow,
yeah.
or did you like you sorry, do you usually interrupt them? no, now your time is over, so you have to switch off the TV or turn
Yeah,
off the
it's
TV.
a yeah, it's a daily basis, daily story. I would say that on a daily basis, I have to interrupt him that Tashu, your time is over now. You have to do study, and you told me that only 5 minutes I will watch. But he always say to me that only 5 minutes, Mama, I will watch. And after five to it turn into 20 to 30, and we don't know
Yes,
about it.
sometime 1 hour. If we forget to say
Yeah.
again and again, then sometime 1 hour.
Difficult for us, but like whenever I say to him that Tarus, I'm giving you time, that he always say to 5 minutes. So I say, I know that you don't know about 5 minutes, how 5 minutes becomes your 10 to 20 to 30 minutes. So I'm
Even
giving you
sometime
30
one
minutes.
hour.
Yeah,
Yes.
I'm giving you 30 minutes, and after 30 minutes, you have to give time. Wait 1 minute.
Okay, so I have one question. What is the one thing you want to improve being a parent?
Yeah. Actually, one thing I want to improve that I'm a short tempered. Means whenever my son do mischievous behavior, so I just become cranky. I pissed off those action. So I want to improve those thing in my life because I don't have much patience. Whatever he is doing. So if I have already mentioned that don't do this, if he is doing again and again it is, so I lost my patience. So I become very cranky.
Mm-hmm.
Sometime after that I feel regret that why I scolded him, why I I have beaten him. So after that I regret, like, okay, he is kids, I have to understand kids are like that. So in this way, like, but I want to improve this and I'm working on it because after having two kids, so after that we realize that okay, we can't every time scold them, beat them. So we
Mm-hmm.
need to improve in a we have to engage them and try to manipulate their mind that okay, in a loving nature, by lovely nature, so we can say that okay, Tashu, it is not too good, we shouldn't do this like this, and he obey also. I have seen that if I change my nature, so he also change his nature. So yeah, I want to improve my nature, sometime my behavior towards my son.
Mm-hmm. I can relate to you. You know, what happens, why we become irritated. I think not only you, we all mothers sometimes become irritated just because of uh, maybe lots of burden, because we are not only raising our kid, we have so many responsibility like home chores, kid, and we have also a responsibility to become a good mother, to become a fluent speaker. So I think these all things makes us sometime frustrated. That is the reason we are unable to bear the all time our kids pampering or mischievous things.
Yeah,
Hmm. Okay, so
yes, I
does your
truly believe.
husband help you to to do any work with your like your, especially your
Yes,
kid
yes.
work?
Yes, yes. My husband, I would say that he's very supportive, even though he has a rotational job, shift-wise job. Sometimes he has to go morning, daytime, nighttime. But whenever he gets time, he always supports. Even my son, he helps him to study, to homework, complete his homework. And sometimes my daughter always feels good when with his father. But when it comes to like alone, when I was alone, so when I am alone, so I feel very frustrated with my
Mhm.
kids.
Yes, yes.
She is disturbing me. 1 minute.
Okay.
She disturbed our class.
It's
Sorry, yeah.
okay. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, so this is my last question. Okay, so would you like to give advice for new parents?
Yes, even in my son's school, there was a parents counseling. So that time it was a red letter day for me, that how to raise our kids, because I got early married, then I got kid early. So I was not aware about this, like how to how to raise our kids. So that
Mm,
time they give us lots of information about our kids, like we shouldn't compare our kids. It's a very, I would say, nowadays every parent try try to compare their kids, so
mhm,
like we shouldn't compare apple to oranges, because apple has
mhm.
their own properties and mango has their own property. So if
Yeah.
we are comparing them, so it's very difficult. Every person, every flower has their own season to bloom and bloom. Sometimes
Mhm,
they grow early, sometimes they grow late. So we should be
mhm,
just patient. And for parenting, I would say patience and understanding, it's very important. And
mhm,
like next thing is, you should give time to your kids. We are living
mhm,
in a hustle bustle life. We are busy in our life, like now I'm also busy to with my conversation, and my daughter is feeling alone, isolated. So it's very
mhm,
difficult for us, but try to squeeze time and spend time with your family, with your kids. After
mhm,
some time they would also busy in their own life, and you
mhm,
would miss these days, like their childhood memories.
mhm,
So firstly, I would say that don't comparison is just equal to poison. And if you are comparing your kids, so you are hindrance, you are bound to hindrance your kids success. And next thing, expectation. We shouldn't expect more and more from our kids.
mhm,
So expect, nowadays we have one kid, two kid, and we are providing all amenities to them, and we want return back from them, that whatever
mhm,
we are providing, so we want good result. And
mhm,
yeah, so we shouldn't think like everyone has, as I already mentioned, that everyone has unique different qualities. Maybe he is
mhm,
not good at study, he is good at this, other sports, other field. So we should appreciate them, and we should embrace whatever they have qualities. And
mhm,
next, like I said, that give time to our kids, and because you will miss. They will, they would, they would in their own life, but you would miss the childhood memories of your kid. So definitely, we should strike a balance between our personal life with our professional life, and striking balance is the key to success, I would say, in every field, not only raising kids.
yeah,
So
that's a really beautiful advice, I must say. And you really elaborated very well manners. So you gave the examples of apple or orange. So this is a good examples, I must say, because parents should be understand. Yeah, it is the fact. Everyone has a unique quality, and everyone has a different time to grow to success, I can say. So like there are so many life examples, like a few leaders, few actresses. They were very bad in at study in their school time, but now they are shining like a star, like a sun. So we shouldn't compare. We don't know when our kids become bloom.
yes, even we can't compare the same tree fruits. Sometime we have seen some fruits early ripe, and some fruits are raw still. So we can't say, like in the same family, you can see the younger one can get success, and younger one means, elder one is still hard work, doing hard work and pursuing their passion. So we shouldn't compare, just follow their passion and just give support to them. And you
Mhm.
are the torch bearer of your kids, so you
Mhm.
need to get support them, so definitely they would shine in their life.
Mhm. Yeah, yeah, exactly right. So I think now we should wrap up the session, and it
Yes,
was
exactly.
really
My
amazing
daughter is
session.
also bothering.
Yeah, yeah.
But you understand me, thank you so much.
Thank you, you too, for giving me precious time. And yes, we
Yes,
actually, I can say I'm also mother, so I can understand. So
yes,
there is
yes,
no need to
definitely. Thank
say
you so much.
regret. Mhm.
Yeah, thank you so much for giving. And this conversation was very insightful. I'm looking forward connecting with you again and again.
Yes, yes, sure,
Okay, thank
sure.
you so much.
Okay, bye-bye. Have a great day. Okay,
Thank you. Have a great day to you also.
okay.